Instagram is your favorite social app, you should know that it was inspired by instant cameras or Polaroid cameras. These cameras enable us to view the photo a few moments after it being taken, not on a screen, but developed on photo paper using special chemicals. The photo is just as iconic as the camera itself, due to its square shape and white border. This type of camera was and is still loved by enthusiasts and professional users alike, mainly thanks to the instant memories it creates. Polaroid went bust for the second time in 2008 and stopped production of cameras and film. However, in 2009, PLR Holdings bought Polaroid and used the name to advertise products related to this line of technology, including the Fuji Instax instant camera.